In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert data into a Snowflake table. Whether you're a data professional or just starting your journey with Snowflake, understanding how to insert data into tables efficiently is a fundamental skill. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the basic concept of inserting data. In Snowflake, as in many SQL-based systems, you can use the Insert Into statement to add new data into an existing table. This is incredibly useful when you have new information that needs to be integrated into your database system systematically. Imagine you have a table named Employees and you'd like to add a new employee to this table. The Insert Into statement is your go-to tool for accomplishing this task. It allows you to specify the particular table and columns you're targeting, as well as the specific values you want to insert. Let me walk you through an example of inserting a single row. You write the statement as follows. Insert into employees, followed by the columns you wish to fill, which in this case are ID, name, and department. You'll type them within parentheses as such. Parentheses ID, name, comma department, close parentheses. Then, you'll specify the values you want to insert, again using parentheses to encapsulate them. Start with the ID, which might be a number like 1. Then the name, let's say. We're calling this new employee John Doe. And finally, you'll include the department they belong to, such as sales. So it will appear like this. Values 1. John Doe, sales. This statement effectively instructs Snowflake to add a new row in the Employees table, filling each specified column with the data you have provided. The ID is set to 1, meaning this is likely a unique identifier for the employee. The name is, of course, the employee's full name, and the department is where they work within your company. It's important to ensure that the values you're inserting match the data types expected by each column. For example, if the ID column is configured to only accept numeric values, providing a different data type could result in an error. Similarly, ensure that any string values are enclosed in single quotation marks, as we've done with John Doe and sales. Another handy tip: if your table has any default values or columns that automatically generate values, such as timestamps or serial numbers, you can actually omit those from your insert statement. Snowflake will handle them for you automatically. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to add new data into a Snowflake table. This foundational skill will undoubtedly enhance your ability to manage and manipulate data efficiently within Snowflake. I hope this tutorial has been clear and insightful. Give it a try on your own, and you'll soon be inserting data like a pro. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.